How to log in to CapCut using your TikTok account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your CapCut using your TikTok account. For that, you will need to make sure you have already created an account on TikTok. Launch open your CapCut application on your mobile device, or you may also go to the official website of CapCut on your device. Once you open the CapCut application, on the welcome screen here, look for the Me icon at the bottom right. Then tap on it. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see multiple login options. From here, you will need to select the option Login to TikTok. Once you tap on it, now you will be redirected to TikTok's login page. Here I have already logged in to my TikTok account, so I am able to see this page. First of all, log into your TikTok account if you are not already logged in, and then in this page, tap on the continue button in order to authorize CapCut to access your TikTok account. By doing so, you will need to wait for a moment. Once it has been authorized, you will be redirected back to your CapCut, where you will be prompted to enter your birthday. Use the slider and select your birthday. After that, tap on the continue button right here. After that, you will be now logged into your CapCut account with your TikTok account. This allows you to easily edit videos for TikTok and utilize the sounds from your TikTok library directly within the CapCut. For this, you will also need to ensure that you have the latest version of both the CapCut and TikTok application for a smooth and best login experience. So by following these steps, you can successfully log in to your CapCut using your TikTok account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.